What exactly is a Deaf Studies minor? 7 courses were required, including 2 beginning ASL classes and 2 intermediate ASL classes. Also, I had to take 2 classes regarding deaf culture and life. Lastly, a community-based learning class that was mostly discussion-based was required. In that class, we got to learn from different members of the deaf community. Throughout all my classes, many of them required us go to a deaf event. For this, I've been to silent dinners in a mall, Starbucks coffee chats, and volunteered at the Cincinnati Hearing, Speech, and Deaf Center. I met many deaf people and was able to learn from them through chatting. Also, I was required to go to a deaf forum twice. In this, there was a panel of people from the deaf community who discussed their overall lives, which helped the development of my minor through showing what I was learning in class was the same as real-life deaf experiences. Deaf Lab was required every semester until I finished my minor because it gave more time to practice my ASL skills. I had to write one research paper which focused on the topic of ADA compliance, at Xavier and the University of Cincinnati for deaf students in particular. I had to plan Deaf Awareness Week for one of my classes in order to expose the rest of the Xavier student body to deaf culture. My group was in charge of advertising the week's events. I also had to act as instructor assistant on test days in ASL 101 and 102 classes in order to watch and make sure the students didn't cheat, as well as help the teachers with the tests. For all of my language classes, I had deaf professors. All of that finished up my minor.